Hi guys, I am getting ready for bed, and I have said several times that I was going to do a skincare video, and I just never do it because I do it in the morning. Excuse me, my nose itches, of course. I do wash my face in the morning and then do my lotion routine, but I thought I would do a night routine skincare. It's several different products that I use, and they're not too expensive. I'm 51. I think I look my age. I certainly don't look younger than my age. And so I got my hair pulled back, and so we'll just get started. I'm going to tell you the first thing I use, and everybody will be shocked. And the beauty gurus are going to just, it is Dove soap. I've used it for years and years and years. I'm just putting my name with it. I actually use a cloth to take it off with. It's like a little scrub. The next thing I use, not sponsored, is a Cure facial scrub. It's a brightening facial scrub is what they call it. And it's got argan extract and chlorella. And it's green. I usually shake it up a little bit because sometimes, the last time I did it was in the shower. It says the directions are 3 times a week. I have very sensitive skin that will do, well, you can sort of kind of see it will break out into a rash like a butterfly redness. So don't do it 3 times a week. Once or twice, small amount. Rub it together. And kind of like rubbing your face with sticks. Don't use the hard pressure. It kind of makes like a little bit of foam. Oh, and there goes what's holding my hair back. I do down my neck, and I do my chest. I'm going to rinse this off. All of it is washed off. I mean, it really does. I gotta get rid of my hands. So my face is dried off, so is my chest. Then we take just some regular witch hazel. Don't have to be fancy witch hazel that they've added something in to make it smell good, because that's all they've done to it. They've added stuff in to make it smell good. This is for toner, dollar store. I've been using this. It's in my 20s. A dermatologist told me to use this. Dermatologist is the one that told me to get cheap witch hazel. Okay, so this has to dry. Okay, so the witch hazel is dry, and I'm going to put on my Matrixyl 3000 and hyaluronic acid. I don't know if it's 2% or 20%. I think it's 20%. I don't have the original bottle. I put it in a little bottle because I just did that to keep my and now that bottle is gone because I kept putting in a little bottle. So you just put it all over. I'm gonna even put it in my chest, neck, eyes. And then, you know, when you do your eyes, you know, you don't be rubbing them hard or nothing. And once you go to the lips, I am going to derma roll my lips. Now, I've already cleaned off. I did that first, where you spray the derma roller or you soak it, however you want to do. I spray mine with alcohol. It needs to be at least 70%. Mine's 97. You let it dry. So when you do your, when you derma roll, you do this way 10 times, this way 10 times, this way 10 times, and this way 10 times. Wherever else you're going to derma roll, that's what you need to do. I always put the hyaluronic acid and Matrixyl 3000 on my face first. It just, to me, it helps. It soaks in fairly quick, but it keeps the needles from dragging. You do not have to press down. See how this is curved? That puts all the pressure you need. So you're just going to roll it. It doesn't bother me. But I bought my mama one and she said absolutely not. And I bought her the smaller needle. This is I think this is a 0.75 and I got her a 0.25 millimeter. And mine's a 0.75 millimeter. And she was like, no, that hurts. I'm not going to do it. It is kind of like getting a tattoo is the best way I know how to describe it. So I'm going to do this real quick. Do my number 11s. And I've got an age spot right there that I do. And I may do my crow's feet. I've got some dimpling right here that I do also. Right there. I don't have it on this side. I don't know why it does that, why it's doing that there, but I do it. Okay, here we go. You smile big. You want your lips tight. I also do my upper lip. And that's the places I do. And then I clean that the same way that spraying the alcohol on it. Like before I did it, that's how I do it when I finish it. And I'll let it air dry. So now I'll go on with the rest. At night I do retinol drops, and these are advanced clinicals, and I'll leave the link down there in the bottom in the description. But you can also get these at Walmart. This is retinol. I use a little bit more. I go in there 2 times. That's about how much I use. I'll use it all at my lip. I also have this retinol and body cream. And I also rub my hands. Anything I have left over. I rub my eyes. Some people say don't rub your eyes. I do. I mean, the retinol is not the first product in this serum, so I feel like it'll be all right. Go back in. I'll just squeeze this on my chest. There we go. I'll rub it up on my neck. Back on my hands. Next thing I use is the same. That's clinical. I use collagen. Same. I use 2 little vials full. . It's a lot watery. lips too, down the neck. That will go right on over. It's like I said, you don't have to rub hard, but everywhere I derma rolled, I like to go and press in. If I can remember to, I'll put in a picture of in September my lips. I think all I have is the month after I started derma rolling, and then I have in January. So you see a month that I'd been derma rolling, and then January, and it to me is a big difference. Then I use this, this is a Korean Beauty, and it's Moistfull eye cream. I got it off of Hush. I love Hush, but let me tell you, you can get it cheaper off of Amazon. Yep. So this is eye cream. I put it all over my face, but I dot it, I sort of dot it like makeup. And put it all over. I grease up my eyes. My eyelids are very dry. Put that on. Run them number 11s. I wish I could press them on out. If I pay attention to them good, they tend to go away, but then I forget about them. And then I rub the same on my chest. Backs of my hands. And I think it's made a lot of difference on my arm. Last thing. And this is now Rosehip oil. I didn't get the cold pressed, so I got the wrong kind. But now sells the cold pressed. Comes with a dropper. And you don't need too much. Put that on top of your lotion. It will soak in through your night cream. If you forget to put this on and then do your night cream is not going to soak through the oil. The oil must come last. And I didn't mean to put that on my lips. I'm still going to do my lip mask. So I didn't get my lip mask out. Hold on just a second. So my lip mask is by Aqua. I just put this on before I go to bed. Needs to stay 15 or 20 minutes. Never know which way. To me it's in there backwards. It should be this way, actually. So this is it. And it's kind of gooey. It's got stuff. Can you see? I'm still going to let this sit because I like it. Keeps my lips from feeling chapped. And I'm going to step right over here because I forgot to get my alcohol out, and I want to show y'all how to clean the derma roller. Till it's dripping. I have other derma rollers that come with a whole case. I like that better. When I ordered this one, I did not know it was not going to come with a full case. But anyway, I spray out the cap too till it's dripping. I don't clip them together. I wait till they're dry to do that. And I just set them over to the side. So we've come to the end, and I want to thank all of my new subscribers. I am overjoyed and appreciate every single one of y'all, near and far. I have found several other southern boo tubers and they make fun of my accent, and they're from the South. Hello. I'm from South Georgia. I know my southern accent's thick, so it doesn't bother me. I'm proud of where I come from, and I'm proud of my accent. And it's actually worse than it is on here, because I try to beat it. I try to make it better, which might make it worse. I don't know. Anyway, I appreciate every single one of y'all. If you're new, thank you so much. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. If you are subscribed, please hit that like button and hit that share button and share it with all your friends. Maybe they'll subscribe. And I'm going to end with the My Lips Are Sealed.